In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to the Canva website. Whether you're working on a presentation, a video project, or even creating content for social media, adding music can elevate your project by creating an engaging atmosphere. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Canva and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, creating one is simple and free. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage. From here, you can start by selecting the type of project you're working on or create a new one from scratch. For example, you might be working on a slideshow, so select the appropriate template or choose to start with a blank canvas. As your project interface opens, you'll see various options on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the option labeled Elements and click on it. Here, you'll find an array of design resources to enhance your project, but for this activity, we'll focus on audio. Click on Audio to explore the music and sound options available to you within Canva. You'll now see a library of music tracks. These tracks are royalty-free and ready for you to use in your project, saving you the hassle of searching for appropriate music elsewhere. You can preview each track by clicking the play button next to its title. This will help you find the perfect mood and tone for your project. When you find a track you like, simply drag and drop it into your project. You'll see the music track attach itself to your design workspace, indicating that it has been added successfully. Once the music is in your project, you may want to adjust its timing to coincide with your content. To do this, click on the music track, and you'll see options for trimming, fading in or out, as well as adjusting the volume. Take a moment to listen and fine-tune these settings until the music fits perfectly with the visual aspect of your project. If you wish to upload your own music, you can go back to the left menu and click on the Uploads option. Here, you can upload audio files saved on your device. Simply click Upload Media and select the audio file you'd like to use. Once uploaded, it will appear in your Uploads section, and you can drag it into your project just like the tracks from Canva's library. By practicing these steps, you'll become proficient at adding music to your Canva projects, enhancing your creative work with the perfect soundscape. With music enriching your project, your messaging becomes more immersive, engaging, and, with the right selection, unforgettable. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!